Hello class 12th. Today I am going to start with this new topic, that is methods of crop improvement. Methods of crop improvement in chapter 11. Chapter is same, topic is new, that is method of crop improvement. Okay, today's plant breeding is a specialized technology based on genetics. Okay, plant technology based on genetics, and the main aim of plant breeder is to synthesize a genetically superior quality. What? Superior quality. ओके फार्मर्स भी चाहता है कि हमारे क्रॉप क्या हो, सुपीरियर क्वालिटी का हो. ओके नेक्स्ट, इट इज adaptable to a specific set of environment. This object is achieved by different method of crop improvement as described ahead. First one selection and second one hybridization. Now what is selection? Selection is the oldest breeding method, is the basis of all crop improvement programs. Selection is the oldest method of crop improvement programs. It is the process of choosing the plant with desirable character. Selection means we are choosing something, but what? The plant with desirable character. Thus this process has been in practice since the origin of domestication of crop plants. Okay. The plant with useful and desirable characters were often chosen and maintained, and those who were undesirable characters were eliminated. Means selection में हम क्या करते हैं, better one को select करते हैं और जो useless रहे उनको हम क्या कर देते हैं, eliminate कर देते हैं. जो undesirable character, not useless, it's undesirable, that we eliminate. Okay. Now what is selection exactly? Selection it's the selection of a number of plants, head of seeds, phenotypically superior in desired character from the field population, harvesting and bulking their produce together and for raising the next year crop, and repeating this process till desired improvement is achieved. Okay. Now the mass selection is entirely based on the phenotypic character of plant. यानी कि बाहर से देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है प्लांट. सपोज आपने टोमेटो लिया, सपोज हाँ टोमेटो क्रॉप में फील्ड में आप गए, वहाँ पे आपने बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी के टमाटो फिनोटिपिकली देखे, रेड ग्रीन कलर, बिग साइज ओनली, एंड दैट इज मास सिलेक्शन इज बेस्ड ऑन ओनली फिनोटिपिक कैरेक्टर. लेकिन जैसे ही आपने उसको टेस्ट किया, इट्स टेस्ट बहुत बिटर था उसका, एंड अंदर की क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं थी, जूसी नहीं था, तो means in mass selection is totally based on phenotypic character. Okay. Now mass selection therefore can be used for many crop which possesses some heterozygosity. It is always found in allogamous crop due to cross pollination. Mass selection is thus generally practiced in cross pollinated crops, and is applied in self pollinated crop is limited due to low heterozygosity. Okay, exactly. Selection is mainly for the purpose to identify plant with desirable combination of characteristics. Selection is mainly for the purpose to identify plant with desirable combination of characters either by natural way or artificial way. The selection process include mass selection, pure line selection and clonal selection. What is mass selection? As you know, it totally depend upon the phenotypic character. बाहर से देख के पता करेंगे कि वो अच्छा लग रहा है या नहीं लग रहा है. Okay, mass selections selecting the best seed phenotypically superior from the field population, harvesting and bulking the seed till the desired result is obtained. The presence of heterozygosity is basis of mass selection. Suppose for example cotton varieties like Dharwar, American, etc. Okay, next one is pure line. Pure line selection selecting the progeny of a single homozygous okay, and self pollinated crop, self pollinated क्रॉप. यहाँ पे क्या होता है मास सिलेक्शन में, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन होता है, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. ओके, एंड Most favorable for improvement of local varieties that have considerable genetic variety. For example, Pure Line, NP4 and NP52 and NP52 of wheat. Okay. Next is clonal selection. Selection of desirable clones from mixed population of asexually propagated plants. Pure Line selection is better method for crop improvement. This one. Pure Line, what is clonal? Selection of desirable clone. Selection of desirable clones. Okay. Selection of desirable clone from mixed population. From mixed population. Okay. Of asexually propagated plant. Asexually propagated. Okay. Now next one. One more thing, that is progeny selection. What is this one more selection? That is progeny selection. It is not in your syllabus, but you know it. Progeny selection employed in cross-pollinated crops and overcome demerits of mass selection. This one employed on cross-pollinated crops and overcomes demerit of mass selection. इसको हम ऑपरेट करके mass selection के demerits को कम करते हैं. That is known as progeny selection. Now next one is hybridization. Hybridization. First type of hybridization. What is hybridization exactly? Hybridization means the method of producing new crops. Method of producing new crop. Okay. Varieties in which two or more plants of unlike genetical constitution are crossed together is known as hybridization. What is hybridization? Method of producing new crop varieties in which two or more plants of unlike genetically constitution are crossed together. Okay, are crossed together. This is hybridization. Now next one, types of hybridization. Here it is written. Okay, this one. Types of hybridization. First one is intravarietal. Types of hybridization. First one, intravarietal hybridization. First. Second one is intervarietal. Third one, interspecific. Fourth one, intraspecific. Fifth one, intragenic. Okay. Now 5 type of hybridization in your syllabus. On the basis of the taxonomic relation of the parents involved in the crop, hybridization can be categorized as, on which basis? On the basis of taxonomical relation. On the basis of taxonomical relation of parents. Okay. Involved in the crops, hybridization can be categorized or of following 5 types: Intravarietal, intervarietal, interspecific, intraspecific, and intragenic. Now first one, intravarietal. What is intravarietal? Between two plants of same variety, is between two plants of same variety, okay, having different genotype, but having different genotype. Okay. Now second one, that is intervarietal, between two different variety. Here same variety, here different variety, between two different variety, and having the same species. Example, varieties of the intravarietal hybridization include Prabha Shankar mango के लिए, Histarch and Ganga Cephid maize के लिए, NP 170 for wheat. Now next one is interspecific. Interspecific, between two different species, between two different species, okay, and of same genus, of same genus. Now next one, intraspecific, between different subspecies within a species, different subspecies within a species. Next, intergenic means between plants of two different genera of same family, different genera and same family, okay. Now what is intravarietal? Intravarietal, between two parents of same variety having different genotype. Now second one, intervarietal. In intervarietal, between two different varieties of the same species. Examples of improved varieties of intervarietal hybridization include Prabha Shankar, Histarch and Ganga Cephid. Next, interspecific. Between two different species of same genus, it is also known as intragenic hybridization. Next, intraspecific. Fourth, that is between different species with a species. Next, intergenic, between plant of two different genera of the same species. The hybrid produced the intergenic hybridization are both scientifically as well as agronomically significant. Suppose radish plus multiplied by cabbage, cabbage के साथ क्रॉस कराएंगे, then क्या बनेगा? Rabbage. That is rabbage. Now next one, hybridization procedure. Next one is hybridization procedure. First one, selection of parent, selfing of parent. Now hybridization, selection of parent. The first step of hybridization is to select the plant which are to be used as parent and can supply all desired character with lack of standard variety. Must be chosen with great care, taking into account all objective in the work so that chances of the selecting desirable genotype increases. Hybridization procedure. Okay, this one. Hybridization procedure. First one, selection of parents. Means the first step of hybridization is to select the parent which are to be used as parent and can supply all the desired character with lack in the standard variety. Next is selfing of parent. This is the second step which involves the artificial self-pollination of parent. It is essential for eliminating undesirable character and obtaining inbreeds. Next is emasculation. Emasculation, the process of the removal of the stamen. The process of the removal, it is very important for the board. The process of the removal of the stamen from female parent before they have burst and shed their pollens is called emasculation. Now fourth one is bagging. Now what is bagging? Is this the fourth step in hybridization? Male and female flower are bagged separately to prevent contamination in staminate flower and cross pollination in pistillate flower. See here in this video picture of this bagging. See, देखो यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है बैगिंग में. ओके ओके ये देखो. सी यहाँ पे इसको बैग से बंद कर दिया है ताकि इसमें पॉलिनेशन नहीं हो, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन एंड सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन टू प्रिवेंट. ओके एंड emasculation. See, two steps of the emasculation. First one forceps method and second one is water method. See here in this diagram. Forceps method, forceps से उसको remove कर रहे हैं. Emasculate stamen remove करते हैं. Emasculation means it's a removal of the stamen in this process. See, forceps used for this process to remove stamen. And here in the water, hot water method, हम उसमें पूरा का पूरा कर्नल इंट्रोड्यूस कर देते हैं बॉटल के अंदर टू रिमूव द stamen part. Okay. Now next one bagging. Last one crossing. Fifth one. Crossing is the artificial cross pollination between genetically unlike plants. And next one raising of F1 generation means in this step mature seed of F1 generation are harvested, dried and stored. In the next season these seeds are shown separately to raise the F1 generation. The plant obtained from F1 generation are called hybrids. Now next one, what is hybrid vigor? What is hybrid vigor? Means जो progeny होती है superior than their parents, that is known as hybrid vigor or also called heterosis. When two homozygous inbreed of the different genetic constitution are crossed together, the resulting hybrids are vigorous, productive, sturdier and taller than the parents. This increases superiority of the hybrids over the parents. Superiority of the hybrid over the parents. That is hybrid vigor. It is coined by G.H. Shull. Okay, contribution in 1914. जब hybrid superior हो जाती है अपने parents से, that is called heterosis or hybrid vigor.